In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy Robux with PaySafeCard on phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can use PaySafeCard as a payment method to buy Robux. However, to do this, you need to do it through the Roblox website. So instead of opening the Roblox app, go to roblox.com. In here, you will be able to sign into your account, and once you are signed in, go over to the Robux option and then buy Robux. Now choose whichever amount of Robux you would like to purchase. When you select the amount, you will be redirected to this page with all of the payment methods, and what you have to do here is choose Other. So instead of selecting any of these, choose Other. If you see PaySafeCard as an option, then you can go ahead and select it right away. If PaySafeCard was not listed among the options and then you choose Other, now you will see that you do have the PaySafeCard option. If it still is not appearing, double check the current region that you have selected. PaySafeCard is only going to be available for some regions, but regardless, once you find it available either under the standard payment methods or you go over to Other payment methods, just select PaySafeCard. Now you are able to input an email for receipt, which is optional, and a zip code. You will see the total amount of Robux that you will be purchasing, so make sure to fill out all of the necessary details here. And once everything is okay, you can tap continue. You will be able to use your PaySafeCard to make this purchase and optionally input your email to receive a receipt. It is simple to do, and as long as you choose the option to use your PaySafeCard under the other payment methods or on the standard ones, you will be redirected to the website where you can input your PaySafeCard code, as you can see here. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy Robux with PaySafeCard on phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.